Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to lock a row in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the row you want to lock. Click on the row number of the row you want to lock. Navigate to the View tab and click on Freeze Pans. To lock the selected row, click on Freeze Top Row. This will keep the top row visible as you scroll down. Now test the row locking feature by scrolling through your worksheet. You will notice that the locked row remains visible. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.